Hi, my name is Dr. Leah Taylor, and this is a quick and easy technique to help you to strengthen your intuition. This technique is called heart-focused breathing, and it was created by an organization called Heartmath, who has done a lot of research on coherence and heart rate variability and how our emotions can affect coherence and heart rate variability. If you'd like to learn more about how this technique can help to strengthen your intuition as well as create emotional resilience, you can head to heartmath.org. They have a ton of research on their site. But I want to go ahead and get to the technique so that this can be easy for you to use. So wherever you are, just finding yourself a comfortable position. It could be seated, it could be standing, it could be lying down. And I like to begin by placing my hand on my heart center. So don't worry about exactly where your heart is. I actually like to place the palm of my hand right on my heart chakra. So like right in the center of my chest. You can keep your eyes closed or open, whatever feels most comfortable to you. But we're going to begin by breathing a little bit slower and deeper than normal. So you can count for 5 on the inhale and 5 on the exhale, or whatever feels just right to you. So here we go, breathing in and out. And in and out. And you can breathe in through your nose and either out through your mouth or your nose. Good, so we're just getting a nice, slow and deep regulated breath. This should help you to begin to drop down into your body, perhaps out of some racing thoughts, if that was your experience before. And from this place, we're going to move into what's called quick coherence. So at this point, continuing to breathe a little slower and deeper than normal, I invite you to activate a renewing feeling, such as appreciation or care for someone or something in your life. So the easiest way to do this is to imagine this person, place, or thing in your mind. So you might want to close your eyes at this point if they are not closed right now. And just picture this person, place, or thing that you really care for and appreciate. And just notice how your body responds. Letting go of any thoughts that come up that might try to take you out of this state. Just simply recognizing them as your mind, wanting you to be busy and pulled away, and bringing your attention back to your breath and back to this person, place, or thing that you really care for and appreciate. So just by doing this right here, you are going to begin to strengthen your intuition. But since we're here and we're doing this, the next part would be to ask yourself a question. Something that you're wondering about. Should I go to the movies tonight? Should I color my hair red? Whatever it might be. Just bringing up that question that might be on your heart, on your mind. As you continue to breathe in and out nice and slow and deep. And just notice what arises. Maybe it comes in the form of a word or a phrase. Maybe it's an image. Maybe it's a body sensation or a feeling. And maybe nothing arises, and that's okay. Don't get discouraged. Just try it again, maybe later. So opening your eyes right now. So you can try this whenever you need. This technique is really helpful to practice on a regular basis. So it can, again, help you to strengthen your intuition. It can also help to create a sense of emotional resilience. So because it is focused on a renewing feeling, such as appreciation or care, every time you feel that feeling, you are going to be rewarded by this cascade of happy neurochemicals that are going to flow into your body. And that cascade of happy neurochemicals is going to actually help not only your emotional health, but also your mental health and your physical health. So this kind of has like a multi-faceted bonus. It's not just strengthening your intuition, but it is helping you to feel better, to think clearer, and also to be healthier physically. So I encourage you to practice this technique on a regular basis, and certainly whenever you need to make a decision, because so often we weigh everything out in our head and we have all of these thoughts about this decision that we're trying to make. And, maybe we make a list and we write out the pros and the cons and we just think about it and think about it and think about it. But it's so helpful when we can drop out of our head and into our body and really activate the intelligence of our heart to be able to listen to what it has to say. And it doesn't necessarily speak in words. Sometimes it does. Maybe there's like a word that flashes in your mind when you ask this question, or a yes that comes up, or a no that comes up. But sometimes there's a body sensation that might be like a closing in or a constriction. So that would lead to probably a no, or a opening of the body, or like a kind of butterflying within your chest, which may lead to like excitement or nervousness, which doesn't necessarily mean it's a no. It just means that maybe it's a little bit scary, and that's okay. So by doing this and really listening to what your body has to say about it, you begin to strengthen the ability to trust yourself, to trust your body, that it really knows what you need. And that's always a good thing. So let me know how this goes. Love you, and I'm really happy to be here to support you in strengthening your intuition. Bye.